Creme caramel is a baked custard made with a few ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen, such as sugar, eggs, milk, and cream. Now, I'm going to take it up a notch by adding some alcohol in the end. You'll see. This is our mise en place. For the caramel sauce, we need 1 cup of white sugar, a 1/3 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, and 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. For the custard, we need 1½ cups of whole milk, 1½ cups of light cream, 3 large eggs, 2 large egg yolks, 2/3 cup of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Pour la sauce caramel, dans une petite casserole, combinons the sugar, water, corn syrup, and lemon juice. And what we're going for here is a golden brown syrup that looks like honey. And we're going to swirl the saucepan from time to time. And no, you cannot use honey to make creme caramel. You will fail. This sauce will take us about 8 minutes to make. Let's remove the saucepan from the heat, and working very quickly and carefully, we're going to divide the sauce between 4 ramekins, allowing the sauce to completely cool and harden for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to adjust the oven rack to the center position in the oven and heat it to 350 degrees. For the custard, let's heat up the milk and the cream until they reach 160 degrees and set them aside. This should take about 10 minutes. Pendant ce temps, dans un grand bol, mélangeons les œufs, les jaunes d'œufs, la vanille et le sel. Our milk and cream mixture are at about 160, which is exactly where we want them. And now let's slowly whisk it in the egg mixture until well combined, but not foamy. And our final step before baking is to strain our custard through a cheesecloth in a measuring cup. Now, how you bake a creme caramel and how long you bake it makes a big difference. We're going to bake it in a water bath known in French as bain-marie for about 35 to 40 minutes. We're going to use a roasting pan and a towel and fill it up with boiling water. And the purpose of the towel is to absorb some of the heat from the bottom. And we want the hot water halfway up the ramekins. Next, our caramel sauce has completely cooled and hardened, and let's divide the custard among the ramekins, making sure they don't touch each other in the roasting pan.
Available at Christian bookstores and online. Purchase it today.
Let's carefully transfer our custards to a wire rack and allow them to cool to room temperature before we refrigerate. To unmold, slide a paring knife around the entire corner, pressing the knife against the ramekin. And finally, to plate, this is my favorite part. Hold a dessert plate over the top of the ramekin and flip it over. Now, I do like to drizzle my creme caramel with a little bit of alcohol, and you can do either rum or Irish cream.